Bengaluru, where BJP leaders took to the streets to protest against Karnataka government's decision to celebrate Tipu Jayanti on the 10th of November. In fact, the BJP president, B.S. Yediyurappa, told Magic Bricks Now that they are contemplating on calling for a statewide bandh on Thursday. We have my colleague Shrija getting us more details on that front.
Protests have broken out here at Maurya Circle after Siddaramaia's government decided to go ahead to celebrate the Mysore reformer ruler Tipu Sultan birth anniversary on November 10th. In fact, when Magic Bricks Now spoke to BJP state president B.S. Yediyurappa, he told us that he will be calling for a statewide Karnataka bandh. In fact, he will also go ahead and hold talks with the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh regarding this Tipu Jayanti celebrations. In fact, we also know is that security has been beefed up here at Maurya Circle. As you can see, one company of Rapid Action Force, 3 companies of Karnataka State Reserve Police, and also 200 police personnel have gathered here to take stock of the situation and also to keep an eye on any untoward incidences. Also, what we know is that Section 144 has been imposed by the Madikeri District Administration to keep a check on any untoward incidences, and this is starting from Monday and it will continue. In fact, till November 11th till 8 a.m. in Bengaluru. Shrija for Magic Bricks Now.
Throughout the state, we are having protest meeting against Tipu Jayanti. Somehow Chief Minister is very particular, and I don't know what is the reason. And so many incidents took place about the Tipu Jayanti in the Kodagu district, and you know very well. Even then, he is very particular. That's why tomorrow we are going to meet our Rajnath Singh Ji, Home Minister, to give it to NIA inquiry. So many things will come out. And Shobha Ji has charged against Rojan Beg. And for that, there are so many objections from the Congress party. And not only the Shobha Ji's reaction, that almost all, including me, all are telling same thing, that Rojan Beg is responsible for this incident because this Rudresh is becoming very strong by day there. So that is why he might have having his own reason to this incident.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Magic Bricks Now. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magic Bricks Now.